what's up, everybody? It's been a very long time since I did an experiment, so here's a really cool one. We're actually gonna make two liquids separate. So what I have here is canola oil and water that I put red food coloring in. And we have this bigger two. So we're gonna see if they can actually separate. So here we go. Whoa! They do separate, see guys? That is really cool. So what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time, and peace out.